Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am in the process of cleaning my very messy apartment. Kane just left to the airport. He's going out of town for some work stuff at 9 round, which means I have the house to myself. I can clean it and it will stay clean. And I'm just excited. I will miss him, obviously, and I am also the one that makes a lot of messes too. But there's something about like putting things away and you're the one that is in control of whether it gets messy or not. I'm gonna clean. So I need to do the dishes. It's not too bad, honestly. I organized this a little bit. It looks messy. I need to do that stuff. Dishes need to be done, but I already did the counters. I vacuumed, put the shoes away. It's kind of it. Oh, I cleaned the living room area. Hi, Reggie boy. I'm doing some laundry right now. I need to take out some recycling. Are you wagging your tail? Yeah, that's about it. But these need to be tackled now. So clean, so nice. Actually, there's one more thing I need to do. To finalize the cleaning, you have to light a candle. Where did I put the light? Oh. Perfect. Whew. This is what I have planned for today. So I'm gonna eat this croissant. I am going grocery shopping because, oh, hello, Reggie. I need to get the essentials, especially for breakfast, because breakfast is always hard for me to figure out what to eat. So I usually have a go-to where I get protein waffles and then I add eggs and sausage. And then I'm going to Lululemon to get some new leggings. My Align leggings are so old. It's time to retire them. That's all I'm gonna say. So I'm gonna go get some of those. I think I might go to Bath & Body Works too because I am running out of those little plugins and they smell so good. The one I have right now is like a warm vanilla. It is so good. So I'm gonna get that. I also really like their lavender vanilla one too. So I may get some of that also. I don't need it, but we're gonna get it anyways. It's gonna make me feel good, okay? Oh, and then I coach in the evening. I also am going to do a lower body workout as well. I'm gonna eat this. I'm going to get ready for the day. And I'll see you guys soon. Hello, I'm back. So I'm gonna show you guys all the food stuff I got because that's honestly the most exciting part. But since I told you where I was going, let me just show you. I just got some classic Align Lululemon leggings. I have these in a size 2 normally. I got them in a 4. I'm gonna try them on and see how they fit. And the reason why I did this is because I like to wear them high-waisted, and I feel like the 2s that I have, if I try to pull them up, I get a camel toe and nobody wants that. So I'm hoping that because these are a little bit bigger, I don't know if my logic will be correct, but maybe they won't go up in all the wrong places. So we'll see. I also went to Bath & Body Works. I got some Wallflower plugins. I love the warm and comforting, what is it called, category section, because I don't like ones that are too sweet. Although I did just get, let me find the tag, I already plugged it in. And there's only one left, so I figured that it was probably really good smelling. It's Orange Pineapple Punch, Sweet Pineapple, Vanilla Sugarcane, Tart Oranges. It sounds very sweet, but I did get the Wallflower plugin where you can choose how intense you want the scents. That is a game changer because a lot of the scents that I get are too strong and I have to unplug it and I kind of waste it. But with this, if it starts to smell too strong, I can lower the scent amount and then it's not that bad and you can just do like a faint amount. This is another one of my go-tos, Vanilla Lavender. This smells so good, and this is also the warm and comforting category. That's what I was trying to say, section, category. The last one that I got is this Mahogany Coconut. Again, warm and comforting. I like this because it has a hint of coconut, but it also has, let's just read the label because I'm not going to explain this correctly. Creamy coconut, mahogany wood, English lavender. That is why I like it. Lavender is my absolute favorite. Maybe I'll plug this in right now, actually. Can you see me? Let me show you what I got. These are made from cauliflower. They're cauliflower tortilla chips. The nacho flavor is amazing. I love eating these with tuna, and then I scoop it out with these chips, and it is so good. So good. We're being healthy. We got some shrimmed Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna make this for dinner, as well as sweet potato. Yes, I could have bought whole sweet potatoes, but listen, when I do, I waste the whole bag because I forget about it, and I think it's too much work to have to peel and cut and clean them. So this is just so much easier. Yes, I paid more than I probably needed to on these, but it's okay. I got ground turkey, my go-to. I love ground turkey. I've never had this brand before, but it looks good, so we will see. So I already have pasta I got from Costco. They have a whole big box of the Bonza chickpea noodles, which was really cool because usually I buy them individually, but I was able to buy it in bulk. Ava Jules is a YouTuber. You probably know her. If you don't, she's awesome. She made pasta with this. I wasn't gonna buy this, but I walked in the pasta aisle because I needed to get sauce, and I saw this, and she talks about this and how good it is. It's expensive. It's black truffle pomodoro. We're gonna try it with pasta, with the turkey, and probably all this stuff. This isn't gonna go in the pasta, but we'll have it as a side. Maybe, I don't know, but I'm excited to try this. The next few things, we're almost there. Siggies. I got this. This is really delicious. It's like a Greek yogurt texture. It has probiotics. I don't normally have dairy, but I do have this and it does not upset my stomach. I put granola in it and it is delicious. This is a big one. So usually this will last me maybe like 3 or 4 servings. The last thing that I got, the most exciting thing of all, just kidding, it's not that exciting. I got some lettuce. I have this really good lettuce dressing. Let me show you guys. Where'd it go? It's the organic poppy seed dressing. It's delicious. It's my favorite dressing in the world. I'm gonna eat some of these now because who doesn't snack while they're making their food, right? I'm gonna put this in the oven and we'll just do like a little fast forward cooking together. Clearly it's later in the day. I am going to put on my shoes and get ready for the workout. We're gonna do lower body. I'm gonna make sure I do a nice warm up. I think I'm gonna go on the bike for a little bit because I'm so sore. I took 2 weeks off, 2 full weeks. I was sick. I think I had the flu. I don't really know. And I literally did not work out once at all. Now my muscles are so sore when I'm working out because I'm getting back into it. I'm rebuilding my strength again. I feel kind of weak. I took some pre-workout, but we'll see how this goes.
Leave the window open, my bones do shake. I won't wait for you. It's middle of the night, but the street lights keep me awake.
I'm out of breath. Whew. Okay, I'm done with my workout. It's like 93 degrees. I had the fan going, which helped. And honestly, the heat wasn't that bad. My muscles were definitely warmed up, so that was a plus. But I'm so tired. I need to go make a protein shake really fast, take a body shower. I'm coaching 2 classes today. They're both cardio focused and it's the David Beckham workout. So F45 is this like temporary thing where they're partnering with different people. Classes will probably be semi-big. Nighttime, it kind of varies. Strength days are a lot bigger than the cardio focused days. It's just me coaching. I might not film the 5:30, but I'll try to film the 6:30 and I'll show you guys the whole back end of F45 and how I set everything up for class. And then if you guys want to see more videos in depth on that, just let me know and I can actually do more. I'm gonna go right now and take care of all this mess right here. I am almost done getting ready. Usually I need to be to work around like 5:15. I'm gonna try to get there a little bit early because we have new people. Usually when new people come to the studio, they're there like extra early and it's awkward if they're waiting outside and I'm not there yet. Oh. Quickly before I go, this is the outfit of the evening. We don't specifically have a uniform we have to wear. You just have to have an F45 shirt on. So I'm wearing just a regular shirt tied up, a Lion leggings. These are my favorite shoes now. They're the Metcon 4s. They're super cute. I'm gonna have my little fanny pack on. See you guys at the studio. I'm gonna show you around the studio before everyone gets here. I just did the alarm. Welcome to a day in the life of an F45 coach. There's a lot of TVs to turn on. This is the studio. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these on.
One pod with 11 stations.
Do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey. Do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey. Do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey. Do you feel the way that I do? Do you feel the way that I do? Do you feel the way that I do?
All right, I'm back. I swear I burn like 400 calories setting up class for the next day. It takes so long to take all of the equipment you don't need and bring out all the equipment that you do for the next class. It's a struggle and I'm starving now. So it is 8:25 p.m. I am going to make pasta. I'm so excited to try this pasta sauce. We'll see how it goes. And then I train a client tomorrow at 6 a.m. So I think I'm gonna wind down and I'm just gonna chill. I got this from Costco. It came in bulk. It's the Banza Chickpea Pasta. It comes with like 4 separate bags. Perfect serving sizes. Just gonna go ahead and put that in there. Almost, it's not done boiling yet. Okay, pasta's done. It looks delicious. I haven't tried it yet, but I just got a huge bowl of it because I'm starving. And this is gonna be the last thing I eat today. So let's see how it is. Ooh. Ooh, it's really good. It tastes like a high-end pasta because the sauce. But also it's kind of spicy and I am not good with spice. You take a bite and then you don't realize how spicy it is until after and there's like a kick to it. But it still tastes really good. It's made with ripe tomatoes, delicate herbs, and black winter truffle. Oh, it's from Huntington Beach, California. That's cool. I'm gonna eat my pasta and I think this is the end for now. I am exhausted. I look exhausted. Goodbye.